Henry, the story continues as the winter heat wave remains in effect. Remember, 5 degrees above average for 5 days, and that's a heat wave. We had some in fall. We now are having one in winter. We're going to talk about an end to it and a 3-day winter season. First outside tonight, Quarry Market, and the stacks are lit red for Blood Donor Month. In fact, according to the South Texas Blood and Tissue Center, you normally operate on a 6-day supply. That's ideal. This region operates on about a 1 to 2 day blood supply. So please consider giving the gift of life at the South Texas Blood and Tissue Center. Skies are mostly clear, 59 degrees. So that's a little too warm, but not too bad. We've got a dew point at 47. That's a big difference with that west-northwest breeze bringing down the dew point. Yesterday was at like 60. It was a lot more humid yesterday. But overnight tonight, what's going to be key is cooling to that dew point. We're not going to get in the 40s, but if we don't get much cooler, then we're not going to probably see too much fog develop. Today's numbers, look at this, 86s all across the south. I mean, that is incredible. You could maybe even guess that a few spots may have flirted with 90 today. 83 for us, 84 at Hondo. Our 83 only 1 degree away from a 1989 record of 84. We started the day at 57. All right, so if you missed it off the top of the show, the visibility forecast says about half a mile or less by 8 a.m. So a weather impact alert for more fog expected to develop if we cool enough. And remember, just allow some extra time on your morning commute. Let's talk about measurable rain, not just the mist or drizzle that comes with that fog. This is a nice little package of precipitation that develops in northern Mexico. Four Corners develops into a lot of snow. But watch what happens. Here's the problem. We get this to eject too far north. It goes more towards Oklahoma, Missouri. And we only get clipped with one line of showers that'll develop, and it looks like it could be early Friday. We could see a couple of showers as early as Thursday, but the best chance is going to be about 30%. I would say by about mid-morning on Friday, and then into Saturday morning and maybe midday, we start breaking out of the clouds here, but to our south, maybe some showers develop. This is why I've got a 10% chance in for early Saturday. We're not expecting much. That's why the probability is low, 20 to 30%, and the amount would be less than half an inch for sure. All right, tomorrow morning, weather impact alert on the fog, then 82 in sunshine, 20 to 30% chance of rain for Thursday, Friday. And then we'll drop it as we get afternoon sunshine Saturday. So here's our 3-day winter season, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, where we get temperatures behind the front. It'll be breezy on Saturday, but these will be a little bit more average for this time of year. I think we'll go upper 50s as far as the coolest afternoon temps, and about 38 or 39. That'll mean a freeze in the hill country on Sunday the 11th. And then we're right back up near 70 heading into mid-January. All right, you got to see the highlights of this Spurs game next.